Welcome to our discussion on AI's impact on jobs this year. Artificial intelligence is transforming the workplace at an accelerating pace. Over the past year, we've seen AI integrate into various industries, from manufacturing to finance, altering the way tasks are performed and reducing the need for manual labor. Robots and algorithms handle repetitive tasks more efficiently, but this shift raises concerns about job displacement and the future workforce. Many jobs that involve routine tasks are increasingly being automated. However, AI is not just replacing jobs, it's also creating new opportunities. Industries are evolving, requiring new skill sets that focus on human ingenuity, creativity, and complex problem solving, areas where AI simply cannot compete. Education and retraining are crucial as the demand for tech-savvy professionals grows. Embracing AI means adapting to change, where humans and machines collaborate to achieve unprecedented productivity. The challenge is ensuring that this transition benefits everyone's prosperity. Join us as we continue to explore the implications of AI on employment and how societies can prepare for the changes ahead.